Hello. So today in this video, I tell you about the Eigenvalue and the Eigenvector. Okay. So it is a means topic of the matrix. So I describe most of the topics related to matrix. So if you want to see, then you can check my playlist of Get Mathematics. Okay. So now we do Eigenvalue and the Eigenvectors. Okay, so first start with the Eigenvalue. Eigenvalues and Eigenvectors. Okay, so now let A is a matrix of AI is a, it is the element, I is the row and columns, so and it is order of n into n. Okay, and this tells to n row square matrix. Okay, so, and lambda, so it is a scalar, it is a scalar quantity. So now Ax is equal to lambda x. Okay, so it is Eigen value problem. Okay, so now I can write as a minus lambda. Okay, and it is into x is equal to 0. Okay, so from here I also can write this like a minus lambda I. Okay, bracket x is equal to 0. Here x does not is equal to 0. Okay, so after that I draw a matrix. Okay, so a11, a11 minus lambda, a12, a1n. Okay, after that a21, a22 minus lambda till a2n. Okay, after that a31, a32 and a33 minus lambda dot a3n. Okay, so after that it is till an1, an2 until ann. Okay, and in this minus lambda. Okay, so it is our matrix, and this is characteristic matrix of A. Okay, now focus here. This is some theoretical portion and it is very important to understand this thing. Okay, so the determinant A minus lambda I, okay, it is in this sign so that it is a determinant, is called characteristics polynomial of A. Of A. Okay, so now A minus lambda I is equal to 0 and it is tells to the equation, means this equation is called characteristic equation of A. Okay, so it is called the polynomial of A, characteristic polynomial of A, and this is called the characteristic equation of A. Okay, and now and the root of this equation, the roots of this equation is called characteristics root, and there are so many names, so I can write all these names. So characteristics roots or characteristics value, okay, or latent root, okay, and proper values or Eigen values. So you need to remember this, okay. And all these values are means same, means name are different but term is same, okay. This equation is called of matrix A, okay, like this equation. So the roots of this equation is known as the eigenvalue of matrix A, proper value of the matrix A, so like this, okay. So after that I take an example, okay. So like there is a matrix, focus here, that there is a matrix A, okay, 3 1 minus 1 2 2 minus 1 2 2 and 0. So we need to find eigenvalues, okay. So it is very easy. So now I tell you that how it is easy. Okay, so here what is I need to do. So first I need to do a minus lambda I. Okay, so for this, okay, so what is, see here now what I need to do. I can first see here, it is 3 1 minus 1 2 2 minus 1 2 2 0. Okay, it is a and minus lambda, what is I, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so after that 3 1 minus 1 2 2 minus 1 2 2 0. Okay, so I can multiply it inside. So simply after the multiplication, lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda. Okay, so now I can subtract this from this. So finally it's come like 3 minus lambda 1 minus 1. Okay, and 2 2 minus lambda 0 2 2, and it is minus lambda. Okay, so from here it is very easy to find the, okay, how. Now what I need to do, I take this row and this column. So 3 sorry 3 minus lambda. Okay, or we don't know to do this, simply we need to take this these elements, diagonal elements which have the lambda. Okay, so 3 minus lambda 2 minus lambda and minus lambda. So from here you can find easily the value of that. So now I can write uh, it is a minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay, so from this I can write it is equal to 0. Okay, so it is equal to 0. So from here I take first this, 3 minus lambda is equal to 0 means, what is the means of that, lambda is equal to 3. Okay, after that from this and this, so 2 minus lambda is equal to 0 means lambda is equal to 2, and from here minus lambda is equal to 0. So what is the meaning of that, that lambda is equal to 0. Okay, so from here these three values I get. Okay, so these three values are the eigenvalue. So lambda is equal to 0 2 and 3, these are the eigenvalues. Okay, so I hope it is clear till here. So eigenvector is a very some not very large topic, it is little large. So in next video I cover it. Okay, so I hope you are interested this thing. So in next video I tell you about the Eigenvector. Okay, so it is very simple topic, simple, or I can simple, but when you understand this thing, so it seems like simple for you also. Okay, so thank you and subscribe my channel. So have a nice day.